For the sequence defined by a sub n equals n squared minus 5n plus 2, what's the smallest value of n for which an is positive? Now that's a typo there, that should say a sub n. So we want the smallest value of n for which this expression here is positive. So we're given 4 options here, so we can just try them out. Like a sub 3 is equal to 3 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 2, and that would be 9 minus 15 plus 2, and that's going to be 11 minus 15, so that's negative. That's negative, so we can rule out that one and move on and try a sub 4. So that's going to be 4 squared minus 5 times 4 plus 2. So we have 16 minus 20 plus 2. 16 minus 20 is minus 4 plus 2, and that's again going to be negative. So we rule out that one. A sub 5 is 5 squared minus 5 times 5 plus 2. And that's going to be 25 minus 25 plus 2. And those guys cancel out and we're left with plus 2, so that's a small negative number. So an is small and positive there, so that's a possibility. Now let's look at a sub 6. It's going to be 6 squared, that should be squared, tidy that up there, minus 5 times 6 plus 2, so we get 36 minus 30 plus 2, and that gives us 6. So these two guys come to 6 plus 2 is 8, so that's bigger than 2. So which is the smallest value of these for which an is positive? Well, it's going to be option C. So the answer is 5.